Hello everyone, myself is Mohammed Ashiq. I am pursuing my BE education from RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I will be demonstrating you the Salesforce Cloud, its tools and services. The agenda of this course is I will be beginning the demonstration with an introduction. Next, with the types of Salesforce Cloud, benefits of Salesforce Cloud, and exploring the various types of Salesforce Cloud such as Salesforce Sales Cloud, Salesforce Service Cloud, Salesforce Experience Cloud, Salesforce Education Cloud, and Salesforce Health Cloud. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources over the internet such as storage, processing power, or it may be a software application. So what is Salesforce Cloud? Salesforce Cloud refer to a specific set of cloud-based services offered by Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management platform, which is also called as CRM platform. Salesforce Cloud services are designed to address various business needs and provide specialized functionalities to organizations. Each Salesforce cloud is tailored to specific areas of business operations such as sales, marketing, service, and more with the aim of enhancing productivity, streamlining processes, and improving customer relationships. Salesforce basically provides all type of services which cater the requirement of a specific organization. It may be sales, it may be marketing, it may be providing service to the customers, etc. So here is the types of Salesforce Cloud. So we have a sales cloud, we have a service cloud, commerce cloud, experience cloud, analytics cloud. Salesforce is not limited to these 4 or 5 clouds. We still have many cloud types such as philanthropy cloud, government cloud, health cloud, education cloud, energy and utilities cloud, manufacturing cloud, consumer goods cloud, financial services cloud, communication cloud, media cloud, non-profit cloud, etc. So here from this we can say that Salesforce covers almost all the business organizations. So we'll see what and all are the benefits of Salesforce Cloud. The first and foremost is security. Salesforce provides a secure, easy to use and accessible anywhere software. The second benefit is management. You can track your leads, manage accounts, contacts, opportunities, etc. I will explain what are leads and opportunities when I show the live demo of Salesforce Sales Cloud. And the third benefit is insights. You can create a custom reports, dashboard in order to visualize your company data. Integration. Salesforce has an extensive app store that makes it easy to add tools for your businesses. Efficiency. Salesforce Cloud will save time by using Salesforce CRM analytics tool, which is also called as customer relationship management tools. Sales. As the name says, Salesforce is one of the best apps for sales teams. Okay, coming to the first type of cloud, we have Salesforce Sales Cloud. Salesforce Sales Cloud is a powerful cloud-based solution designed to streamline the sales process and optimize customer relationship management. It offers a wide range of features that empower sales team to effectively manage leads, close deals, and drive revenues. Basically, Salesforce sales team uh, uses this Salesforce Sales Cloud is for the organization in which the sales team will look into the data. They can add the leads, they can convert the lead into the opportunities, they can analyze the business data, they can visualize it, they can check the forecast, they can create a campaign, they can link the asset, etc, etc. Here we have some of the key features include account and contact management, opportunity and product management, campaign management, and sales analytics and reports, sales collaboration. So this is a broad view of sales for sales cloud. Like we can perform a lead management, we can create a lead, we can convert this lead to opportunity. We have a work process approval, account and contact management, mobile optimization, reports and dashboards. Now let us go to the live demo of Salesforce Sales Cloud. So before starting, let us see how can you log into a Salesforce account? How can you register? Basically, you can type Salesforce Sales Cloud register. So you will get a first link from www.salesforce.com. You can click that. You'll be get you can open this site. So the best thing about Salesforce is that no need to give your credit card credentials. So it says here that start your free trial today, no credit card required, no software to install. So this is one of the main advantages of Salesforce Cloud. So it will ask for your personal details, give your first name, last name, your personal email ID, your job title. If you are a company professional, you can choose any other job titles such as sales manager, developer, etc. So if you are working in a company, you can mention your company name. If you are studying in a college or a school, you can specify your school name or your college name. And this is one of the mandatory fields. In order to you have to specify the number of employees. It varies from 1 to up to 2000 employees plus. So you should give your phone number and your country, agree to all the agreement, and you click on the start my free trial. When you click this, you will get a email from Salesforce. It will be like this. Yeah, thanks for signing up with Salesforce. You need to verify the account, and you will be getting this URL. When you click this URL, you will be you can open this. Yeah, you can open the Salesforce sales dashboard basically. Okay, this is the dashboard for Salesforce sales account or Salesforce Sales Cloud. So let me show all the possible uh, features or what and all tools you have. So on the left hand side, you can see a recommended tool, like you can connect with the customer, manage deals, manage your accounts, simplify and enforce process, forecast revenue. This we can see when I show you how to create lead account, contact opportunity, calendar, forecast. All those things are mentioned here. That's it. So if you want to give a feedback on this tool or on this cloud type, you can give a feedback here by clicking into this. So like it is a 30 days free trial, right? So as the days goes, you'll find how many days are left in your free trial. So the one thing I would like to mention here is that if you want to use Salesforce Cloud just for your purpose, just to know what Salesforce Cloud is, you can create with one account. After 30 days, you can create with the other account. But you want to have your data which you have stored already, then you need after 30 days you need to go for a premium version by clicking this by now. So here you will find your profile, notifications, and if you want to go to the setup or your account or the developer console, I'll explain this later. Yeah. Then if you need any kind of help, you can go here. This is called as Trailblaze, which is a documentation, I can say, from Salesforce, where you'll get all the information regarding any of the cloud services. And yeah, favorite list. So yeah, coming to the home page, it it will show you the opportunities owned by me and which is closing this quarter. If it's month, it will say the leads or opportunities which are closing this month. Then accounts owned by me which I have created, and the relationships. Pipeline is basically when you have a large amount of data, and when you need to build a layer of data, you will create a pre-processing layer. Then you will have a first layer, second layer, third layer, and in order to build a connection within all these layer, you can use a pipeline. Now why this pipeline is used by the sales team, in the sense one sales guy may be focusing on one sort of work, other sales guy may be working on other sort of work. So in order to combine them, we can create a pipeline, and you can see goals, or you can set the goals here. So today's event, if any of the events are scheduled today, you can click on view calendar and you can see it. Okay, let me go to home back. Yeah, this is all about, you can see the recent record, like I have created one of the record with my name. These are some of the records which is already there in Salesforce. Yeah, this is about the home. Okay, we'll go to the leads. Okay, what are leads? Leads are basically a customer, you can say, who are interested in our products. They did not buy the product completely, but they are interested in our product and they are willing to buy. So sales teams will keep a track of all these leads, and they will get that lead into a series of process. Like first phase, maybe whether the lead is interested, he'll go to the next phase, whether he is ready to accept our product, etc. And finally he'll, yeah, finally it will lead to a what you can say, it will lead you to whether he is taking that product or he is not taking the product. So you can say he has won the sales team has won the deal, or it did not win the deal. So yeah, coming to a basic info, that leads are nothing but the customers who are interested in buying the products of a company. So here you can see uh, the name, email, phone, company, lead status. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, the process. The if the lead is a new lead, you can mention it him as a new, or he has moved to the next step. You can say it as a working, or he is unqualified, etc. Or he is in the process of buying, called as nurturing, etc. Yeah, it, you can see all the open leads. Yeah, all the there are, these are the leads I have created. Some of the leads are already created by the Salesforce. Yeah, here you can see what kind of view you need to look into it. It's basically about the user interface I'm talking about. Okay, let me say you want to create a new lead, so you can go click on this new. It will open. Okay. Okay. What kind of lead you are talking about? Whether he is an unqualified lead, or he is a working lead, nurturing lead, qualified lead, which means he has accepted the product. Nurturing, he is at the extent to which he will buy the product. Working, he is still in the process of buying. New means he is a new lead. Let us create a new lead. We'll give a salutation as Mr. First name Rohit Kumar Khanna. Okay, these are the temporary fields. You can complete these, or you may not. You need to fill the compulsory fields here. Let me say the company is Akash Medical Institute. Okay. So if you want, if you have any, if you have your company website, you can add it here. Um, if you have a lead source, like what kind of lead he is, he's a partner or a customer event or an advertisement, what source, advertisement or customer event or employee referral, etc. It's an optional field. Let me click on any one of these. Okay, let me save this. Okay, the new lead has been created. Yeah. Now it will open a page where you have your name, your company, etc. Like all your personal information, or if he has undergone any campaign, you can see here. Currently, no history is there. Here, a sales team, after some period of time, now his status is new. Now the sales team has completed wanted to promote their product. Sales team wants to promote their product. Okay, in the first phase, customer agreed that he is willing to buy, so you can mark the status as complete. Okay, in the next phase, he is in the working phase now. Still, okay, the sales team found that he is very much interested. Then in the new phase, which I marked it before, so he'll complete this as working, and in the nurturing phase working, and like nurturing phase mark it as complete. Okay, now it asks you to create a new account. So yeah, already the account has been created with the account name Akash Medical Institute. So now what is this convert lead? As I have mentioned, now the customer has moved through all the phases. That is, he moved into the new phase, working phase, nurturing phase. Now it's a time that the salesperson will convert this lead into an opportunity, which means that the customer is now all set to buy that product. So the sales teams will convert this into the opportunity. Let me check. Yeah, your lead has been converted. It will give all the information, account, the contact. See, the lead has been converted to opportunity with the name which is already recorded in the accounts. The same name will be seen here. Okay, we'll go back to leads. So we'll go to the recently viewed all the open leads. Okay, now you cannot see the new name which I have created. Why? Because all these people are still in the phase, like which is unqualified, new working. My lead converted into opportunities. When I click on opportunities, you can see here Akash Medical Institute qualification. This I'll explain later. What is this? Close date and opportunity titles, etc. So this is all about leads. We will move into the accounts here. So accounts basically consist of your company name, which has been created with the name of your company. Here I have created Akash Medical Institute. Uh, Earlier I created RBC, Divya Clinic, TCS, etc. In the accounts you will find only the company, its phone number, and who owns that account. So if you want to create an account, you can click on new. So give an account name as some person's name you can give, uh, Rohan. And if he has any parent account, like suppose Rohan is working in Akash Medical Institute, you can link it here. Yeah, you can give the address information, billing address, etc., etc. I'm not going to give it now. Okay, just save. The Rohan account is created. Yeah, you can see everything. So what are the contacts? He has opportunities. No, he has not converted into opportunities. Contracts, no contracts, orders, partners, cases. So here you will find a box, or you can find a division where you can find a email. Like you can email to a particular person, whoever is in your contacts or accounts. Okay, I'll send through Salesforce. Yeah, from my email to whoever you need, uh, Rahul at Gmail, something you can give and just send. Okay. And if you want to arrange any meet with this customer Rohan, you can just schedule an event with the help of calendar. Can give a subject regarding your confirmation on the on buying the product. So there is a date, start time, end time, etc. After a certain period you'll get a snoozing, there is an event scheduled, etc. So I'll just save it. Okay, if you click this, yeah, you'll get an event details, etc. Yeah, I completed the account section. We'll move on to contacts. So as I have mentioned, in the contacts you will find your name, your account name, who is the owner. You can add phone, email also. As it was an optional field, I did not add. If you want to add a new contact, you can add a new contact in the similar way which you have made for the accounts. uh, okay, when you can import the contacts also from your device, local device. You can from CSV, or yeah, let me import it from a CSV. See, it will ask you to upload the CSV file. Okay, let me upload some random file. It is known as online reading, so it will be uploaded and go next. It takes a bit of time here because that CSV file was approximately about 24 MB. It's taking time. Okay, it's taking time. We'll see it later. Okay, now here you will have option called as add it to the combine. Okay, let me select Alva Prasad or Jennifer Stamus and add it to a combine. Okay, you can give a combine name. Like for the education cloud, I have given professor campaign. You can create a new campaign. Like, yeah, you can create a new campaign and campaign name like BP sugar level equipment. You can create a parent campaign. There is professor campaign which is not related to us now. Okay, you can give a budgeted cost or actual cost in the campaign, expected revenue, etc. I can just save it. It doesn't make such a difference. Yeah, the campaign has been successfully created. Okay, when you click this send list email, you'll find all these contacts, right? The email will be sent to all these contacts and everyone will receive an email. You can send a list email. Here to contacts, candidate subject regarding your confirmation. Can save it as a graph or just send it. List email was queued. Okay, you'll receive an email shortly. Okay, this is all about contacts. Let's move to opportunities. Okay, the recent opportunity which I have converted from lead is this Akash Medical Institute. So he is still in the stage of qualification. We can see in the Divya clinic the stage that the company has already accepted the product from the sales. So the deal is closed and it's won. So you can see in this company ABC, it's still in the process of negotiation itself. So what we can do is we can click on edit. So we can choose the stage in which our sales sales is there. Either it may be a proposal stage, needs analysis, or negotiation, or you have already won the deal or you have lost the deal. Let me say I have won the deal. So let me save it. Yeah, my changes have are saved. Now, what is the benefit of this? A sales team can track which and all our deals are there. Instead of checking it on the daily, daily basis, each and every record, at once they can check all the opportunities and they can mark it as either the sale is in the process of negotiation or it has won or not. Okay, this is all about opportunities. If you want to create a new opportunity, you can. Yeah. Yeah, from an account you have to link an account, because you can see I have given an account. I have created a lead with a company called Akash Medicinal Institute, so you need to link any one of it. Let me link with the Divya Clinic or forecast category. The what kind of it is, like it's omitted or best case, committed or closed, etc. Let me give you a best case. It all depends on your sales team and your sales, like what kind of sales you are giving it to the customer. And the close date, you can mention any date actually. And the stage is the one. Okay, name, opportunity name, introduction. You can give any name to sales. Save. Yeah, opportunity has been created. A similar interface you will observe as you have seen in the leads to opportunity conversion. Uh, yeah, you can edit it, clone it, or delete it. If you have any partners, you can, or you can create a new partner as well. And products, what and all are products you want to add, etc. So let's move on to the calendar. So calendar will make sure that if you have a new event coming up, it will pop up you a notification, or it will snooze such that you'll get an information about what event and when it is been conducted. If you want to create a new event, create a new event. Tell the subject that urgent call to be made. So it's assigned to your personal account. Like the event is conducted by the company, right? They want to conduct a, suppose I am owning a company, I want to create an event in order to interact with the customer. The account will be linked to mine itself, right? So location, you can, it's an optional field. Start date, end date, everything you can add. Like if you want to link to any one of the accounts, you can, let me say Jennifer, or you can add to any one of the accounts. So it will set a reminder time before the event, 15 minutes. If you want to increase or decrease, you can make it according to your requirement. Let me save it. You can see here all the details. Let me go to the calendar back. Yeah, we can see here at 11 a.m. I have urgent call to be made regarding, this is the one which I have made earlier, urgent call to be made, etc. You'll be finding like this. This is similar to what you have in your Microsoft events. Same thing. Okay, let's go to forecast. So basically, what is forecast? Forecast is nothing but it will give a visual representation of your revenue. What sales did you do in this month, in the previous month, how much money you have, and for how much money you have closed the deal. What is the commit forecast, best case forecast, etc. Here for Akash Medical Institute, which I have created, I did not add any one of the amount. You can just add what is the annual amount. Suppose I have gained 70,000 here. You can just do and click on save. Yeah, so it has already been added here, and it shows the details which I have showed you earlier. So So this shows the current month sales, like closed is this much, committed this much, best case forecast is this much. If you want to have the beginning, let the beginning period be July. We go to August. Yeah, it will sort the entries based on that only. So it will give the revenue for the 2 months. See in August, what is an expected or what can be the best forecast you can find here. So as this is the month of July, there is no records which has been closed or which has been won or lost. But this is all about the forecast. Now let's move on to the dashboards. Dashboards is extensively to the sales team. Suppose they want to know what is the revenue, opportunity trends, and pipelines. You can do it uh, here. Track revenue or opportunity trends and pipeline impact against your company goals. So you can create a new dashboard here. You can create a new dashboard here. I'll show you. Click on the dashboards. Create a new dashboard. Let me say July month dashboard. The description is the dashboard for tracking the revenue. Okay, you can create whether it's a private dashboard or can select it from the folders. Like you'll be provided with the pre-configured dashboards. Like you can choose any of them. Let me click this. Nothing is there now. Fine. Create. Still take some time. Okay. Now let me create a basic dashboard. Click on widget. If you want to add a chart or a table, click on chart or a table. If you'll be having public reports, right? You can choose any one of them. Public. Click on public records. Can select this. See here you'll have a lot of displays available. It may be a graph, histogram, or the odometer or a gauge chart kind of a thing. A numbers. I'll just add a numbers. I'll just add a pie chart. See, we'll find a dashboard like this. So the sum of amounts, the qualification, etc., etc. So if you want to add a filter, you can add. Like if you want to filter it by the building address, you can give it like this. Add a filter value. Like it's like performing a basic mathematics operation, like whether the sale is less than or the sale is greater than this amount. This amount. I'll give this equal to value. I have some 56. Okay, apply. And okay, it filters it according to that. So okay, we'll move on to we'll save it. We'll save it. I'm done with the process. Done. Okay. Now you can see a billing line address which equals 56. See, there is no data. Like we don't have such charts which equals 56 or the amount equals 56. So it doesn't show any of them. We'll go to all only. We'll say can't refresh more than one in a minute. Okay, fine. I think you have observed it before. Before I clicked on equals 56, what kind of dashboard you observe? Okay, let's move to reports. July month dashboard it's already created. Okay, thank you. We'll move to reports. Okay, you can create a new report. I have created many reports here. If you want to check, you can just click here. When you create multiple reports, it will be saved in that dashboard. You can click on that. Yeah, you can just view uh, like the sum of amount, existing business, which are the new business here. You can check all the details of all the accounts here and their amount, etc. You can toggle the chart. You'll find only the expected amount and the total number of deals closed and not the representation of it. When you click on this, you'll find a chart. Okay, this is all about reports. If you will create reports, we'll create a new report. We'll see. Select a report type. We'll go to users. Okay, start the report. So here I have only one account, which I have made for this Salesforce Cloud. Yeah, can save and run. Okay. Yes, there is only one record, so it's not showing any one of the charts or the representation. You can click on other reports as well. You will find a good visualization from documents or lead with converted lead information. It has some two records. I have not added more records. You'll find two records. Fine. We'll just run. It just gives what are the total number of records and the who and all are there. That's it. Okay, let's move on to codes. This is not so much required, but the Sales Cloud will provide such kind of services. We'll click on all codes. No codes are there. Fruits and vegetables, no codes. Have my codes. Yeah, no codes are there. So you can create it, or if you want to edit, you can edit the list also. As there is no records, yeah, you cannot do anything here. Now let's move on to the work orders. Okay, work orders is that what and all orders did you receive from the customers. It will be provided a unique ID, a work order number, and a subject regarding for what purpose and to which account it has been linked. Let me create a new work order. Let me see. So your status is new. Parent work. Let me link to the parent work order, or let me create a new one only. Subject is regarding the iPhone services. Can just save it. There is a new work order with a unique work order ID. A new opportunity is created. Now, and the one thing I need to inform you that being a salesperson, you can post a question, or you can just post and just a blog or kind of thing, share an update. It will be reaching you soon. Something you can just share it. So currently you won't understand the functionality of this, because when you have a separate website or a portal for your company, then you'll get to know how these work orders and all. This Salesforce will work as a backend, right? When you enter a new work order on your front end, it will automatically get reported to these work orders. Now currently I'm just posting a question locally here, so I don't have any website to launch or ask the questions. Just you can ask the questions here. You can give a new task, or you can have a new event scheduled. Yeah, new contact. You can log a call. You can have a new opportunity lead and many more. Poll. You can create a poll actually. You can by giving an option, but it's optional here. You can create for your understanding, but as I don't have any front end tools, so this is what I can demonstrate to you. Suppose not only these are the opportunities, or these are the tools or services provided by the Salesforce Sales Cloud. we will have more tools. When you click on this edit button, you'll find more such things like you can add more items also. You will have yeah, all, we go to all. Yeah, analytics is there, assets are there, campaigns are there, cases you can create, requests you can post, many more are there. Yeah, you can explore all these things. Okay. So when click on this app launcher, so we have discussed about the sales. Now let's see what are there inside sales. So you can see the salesperson activity, the team pipeline, led by source, opportunity, the recent opportunity which is created. Uh, yeah, the recently viewed things, sales operations, contracts, or if a sales lead want to add any contracts, he can click on contracts and add the new one. Let me go to home. Yeah, these are the few things. I can place a new order, get a forecast code, similar thing which are there in sales, but it's a broad overview of the sales account. Okay, as a sales leader, we'll see what and all opportunities or services the sales leader has with respect to the sales cloud. So he can connect with the customer. For every sales services, you'll get a beautiful dashboard. You can see the same things are there. See, as I said, you can get a today's event. See a sales lead has to attend this event regarding the confirmation or urgent call to be made. Yeah, the same thing will be observed to the lead as well. You can email also. Campaigns, create the list email I have discussed earlier. Can have an email template, etc. Can have a detail, you can upload the file. Yeah, many more things. We'll have a success manager. We'll see what kind of services success manager has. Yeah, here you can see the success manager can add a new product. Suppose he is managing one of the group which is interested in producing a new product to the public. He can create a new product. Okay, let me say the new product is iPhone 11. It's a random name. Okay, let me say a new product will be created and the details of the product will be available to the sales team. The sales team will showcase it to the customers based on the needs. Fine. So the sales operations you can see here, the report chart, the same things are shown in everything, as it's a collaborative environment. Like each and every person in the sales department should be able to see all the things which is made by any one of their team members. That's what I was intended to tell you. Yeah, you can view all. You'll have a lot of things. You can have a report, source card, social post, social personas, opportunities, orders, files, etc. Yeah, this is all about sales cloud. Yeah, sales cloud, in order to wrap it up, is basically a platform which is provided to a salesperson of a company where they can manage or track the revenue, convert the lead into opportunity. A success manager or a sales manager can add a new product and all the things which is required when you see in the perspective of a sales team. Okay, let us now see the Salesforce Service Cloud. What is this Service Cloud? Salesforce Service Cloud is a comprehensive platform designed to provide understanding customer service and support, empowering businesses to deliver exceptional customer experiences. Some of the key features include case management, omni-channel support, knowledge base, live chat, and chatbots. As you can see from this figure, Salesforce will have an agent console, a knowledge base. Knowledge base is if you want to add an article regarding a customer query. If you open Quora, you'll find many queries, right? The same thing the knowledge base will do. You'll have a social platform, agent collaboration, analytics, same as the sales, mobile co-browsing, service cloud communities, mobile chat, service cloud touch. So coming to the case management is nothing but, let me explain you with an example. Suppose I am a customer, I will go to a XYZ company. I will tell a company through their portal that I need such product, or I'll tell that the product which you have provided me is not working well. So this is a case, right, which the company need to resolve. So this is one of the prominent features of Salesforce, which allows the customer to interact with the salesperson or a backend or a person sitting at the backend who is trying to resolve the issue. So omni-channel support, when I explain you the experience cloud where I build a website and show how the chat function will enable you to interact with the service team or the backend team through a chat functionality. So omni-channel will basically enable you to have an interaction between a customer and a service team. Knowledge base is just to post an article regarding any queries or the new features or upcoming event, etc. Live chat and chatbots. Salesforce has introduced a chatbot called as Einstein bots, where you can have a chat with a bot will respond to a specific query which you ask. Yeah, it's already feeded by a Salesforce team. Okay, let's see a live demo on Salesforce Service Cloud. Okay, in order to use this service console or service cloud, you need to register to a separate account. You can use the same email or you may use a different email. You need to type developer Salesforce register. The first link which you get from a developer.salesforce, you'll get such kind of thing. You need to enter your last name, your email address, your role, company, similar to what you have done in your sales console, your postal ID, and give a temporary username which will be reflected in the mail like this. You'll get, like I have given my name as this. So if you give the same name like this, yeah, it will be reflected in your mail like this only. Using this you can log into the service console. If you click sign me up, you will get an email, the same email or the similar kind of email which you got for the sales cloud. Okay, after you verify your account, you will be shown this kind of an interface. This is called as a setup page or developer console, you can say. Um, yeah, I'll just demonstrate briefly what and all you can see from the screen. Yes, I have mentioned, if you want to have a chat with the chatbots, you have an Einstein bot, or if you want to create your own branded mobile app, this is the one which will help you to create it, and you will have a real-time collaborative docs similar to the Google Docs. Many more features. Salesforce provides many more features through software. That's why it's a software as a service application, and it's one of the leading company too. So here I have created many things. So whatever you do, it will be showcased in this page. So on the left hand side you can see a service setup. Like if you have any query, or if you want to say, if you want, like you need to go to a web related case, like if you want to market a web to a lead, you can do it. Yeah, you can just go back. Yeah, here see, if you have updates, it will show a release update, lightning experience. Okay, what is lightning experience? Whatever you do in the Salesforce cloud, it's hosted as a lightning setup or the lightning experience. Yeah, Sales Cloud have I have taught you this earlier. So administration, you can add a new user, a new data, or an email here. You can add him as an admin also, users also. Yeah, these are the features, like Heroku, a hosting website. It will provide like it will provide an hand-to-hand operation to work with Heroku, MuleSoft, Einstein, which is this Einstein bots, a development, custom code, user interface, etc., etc. That's why we call this as an experience cloud. In detail about experience cloud, I will be explaining you in the next section. uh, yeah, we will be enabling the experience cloud in this interface only, in this service, or you can say it in this developer account only. So here, similar to your sales account, you will have your profile notification. Yeah, when you click this, initially you had setup. When you look into the sales account, you just had an setup. Now we have a service setup here. Click on service setup. Yeah, it will provide you all the necessary tools and services which is provided by the Salesforce Service Cloud. See, you can support an email, a omni-channel setup, which I have mentioned you earlier during the PPT presentation. I can add a knowledge article, data category assignments, data category mappings, etc. Yeah, one more thing. Yeah, you can see a developer console here. Click on the developer console. It will open, yeah, a kind of a text editor. You can have a test on it, debug it, edit, find and replace. You can write any Ajax code here, anything. You can perform the SQL queries also in this. If you want to sort out all the cases, you can write an SQL query also here. The file name is saved as apxc. You can see here, you can create a new thing also. You have a lot of options, like you can create an apex class, trigger, visual force page, etc. You can open it from your local directory also. Okay, now click on this app launcher, go to service. So this is the chat, this is the interface you get, or the dashboard you get. So let's move on to the chatter. So in the chatter, if you want to post some message to the customer, let's say my company is launching a new iPhone, you can have a post here, share an update. You can share an update. You can have a poll here. What questions you would like to ask? When will you post the poll? Are you interested in buying a new phone? This is to the customers. Choice 1 yes, choice 2 no. Just ask. If you want to choose yes, vote. Yeah, if there are more customers, they will vote. And one more thing I need to clear that is that this all happens to an user interface which is created by a company itself. Suppose my company name is ABC. In order to launch my product, in order to access the queries, in order to perform all the operation, I need to have an app or a website or any kind of software tool, right? When a service team posts this poll, it will be showcased to a user on his phone through an interface. So currently there is no interface, only I am there. I can only vote here. This is the basic fundamental I want to convey. Yeah, there are, I posted many of the questions previously. You can see simple questions. And if you want to ask a question and you need to explain it in a detail, you can do that. Yeah. Okay, and the accounts similar to what we have in sales contacts too. Yeah, there are many contacts here. Yeah, the one of the most important thing I need to explain in this service cloud is the cases. I have explained what is a case. I will brief it out again. Case is nothing but, suppose I will buy a product from a XYZ company. I found a issue with the company. So I need to report it back to the company, right? In order to get it fixed, I need to report it to the company back. So in order to do that, I can create a case. I can create a new case. So here I'm doing a new case here. When I'll show you the website, I'll show you how actually this cases updation or the how the interaction between the customer and the services takes place. Now let me add the new case manually. The service team will get a case, and let's say in a worst case it decided to create a case manually. So it will create click on the new. So what is the status? Oh, it's working or escalated. You can click on this, or contact name. You can choose any one of them. Account name also. There is two accounts, Rahul, Shushmita. So you can give your personal details. Or you can just save it. So review the case origin. Okay, you need to fill this out. So from where did you get this? From phone or from email, from web? Let me say from email I got this. Okay, just save it. A new case has been created. See the subject, I did not add any subject because I left that blank. If you want, you can add a subject here. Okay, that's what a new case has been created. Let's see, the case is there. Yeah, case is there but with no subject. Okay, let me create one new case again with the subject so that it will be clear for you. Case originates from, let me say, from web. So type is some electronic issue. The case reason is equipment complexity. Subject is that the product is not working fine for a couple of days. I can save it to be created. Yeah, now it's clear. The subject is there. Go to cases. Yeah, you'll find your cases with your case number, with the time and the owner who owns it. Okay, let me move to reports. These are similar things which we have done in the Sales Cloud. Many of the features are same when you come to services, and the main feature is what I have said is the cases thing. Yeah, dashboard. By now you have understood what this reports dashboard mean. Yeah, knowledge. When you go to knowledge, as I have said, when a user opens his when the user opens the website of a company, there will be an options like the featured articles, the trending articles you might have observed. So all these articles will be stored in this knowledge base. I have created a website. I will be demonstrating you that in the experience cloud section, where I have added all these as an article, like will you release a new phone, all these updates. When a user clicks on any one of these from the dashboard, he'll be able to see the article and the solution what has been given. It will be clear when you understand the experience cloud part. For now, I think the knowledge, as it's nothing but if you want to have an article on your phone web page, yeah, or you need to share some information to the customer, you can add it in this knowledge base. Let me add it for your understanding. Let me take title, when are you iPhone is not working nowadays, tell me some quick fixtures. This may be a question, and just post it. Okay, we have field. Okay, text, what's going on with iPhone nowadays. Okay, see, a new knowledge has been created. I'm giving a simple random text here. When you are a working, if you are a working professional, you can add a actual knowledge articles, and if you want, you can publish. It will be published locally here as we don't have any. Yeah, yeah, I can see publish iPhone is not working nowadays. Tell me any assignment details. Publish now. You can just publish. It's published locally. You can just check. Yeah, it's published and it's not validated by the service. Okay, this is all about the service console. When you go to the app launcher, you'll have a many services like you can see marketing, CRM, classic. Okay, so when you see these tabs, almost everything is similar. So there no need to explain this much in a detail. If you go to community, you can add a new community, chat with them. The same thing, a content. In content also the same things are there. You cannot do anything. You can just check these key deals closing this month or next month. My opportunities, yeah, opportunities created, which are new this week. No records from found. Okay, next go to view all. See many more options you will find like digital experience. I'll come to this digital experience in Experience Cloud. By for now we'll see iPhone accessories. This is the website which I have created named iPhone accessories, which will be saved in the community. Like I have made it public, so it's saved as an community here. Yeah, many more features you can able to see in the Service Cloud, and the main thing is the cases where the service team can be able to look at the cases which the people are facing. Go to service. Yeah, this is all about the Service Cloud. In the next section we will see the Experience Cloud. Yeah, before moving to Experience Cloud, I wanted to tell you one more feature of Service Cloud with respect to cases. In the service setup, suppose you want to create a web page where a user wants to write a case with a subject. In the service setup, just write web to case HTML generator. Click on this. Okay, you can add an available fields, like if you want to have a contact name in your web page, email, phone, subject, description. If you want to add any one of them, click on it and click on this add. It will be added to the selected thing. So enter the URL that the user to be returned to. uh, Give any, like if the person clicks on submit, you need to give to which URL he needs to be entered. Like let me give any URL, like let me say abc.com, a random email. So you can give a captcha. Let me say YU, I don't know whether it's valid, but you can give it RQ. Okay, just generate invalid data, remove all the error message below to correct your data. You can just yeah, you can create a captcha. As I'm not having any valid captcha here, you can just random. Uh, okay, I can see include a captcha. Capture is a problem actually. That's why. Yeah, it's not taking. The thing is, you can enter a valid captcha. As I'm not finding any valid captcha in this case, you can just click on generate. It will create an HTML document. You can just copy it and place in any one of the editor and just go live. This is one of the features. Just go to email, click on email to case. Through email also you can file a case. You can create a new thing, a routing name to which email or to write the email address, etc. Yeah, this is what I wanted to convey. Yeah, this is all about the service cloud. In the next section we will see what is the Salesforce experience cloud and what and all services it provides. Yeah, now in the web2 case HTML generator we faced an issue with the creating and capturing. So let us move back to web2 case HTML generator. It's taking a time. Okay, now we have web2 case HTML generator. You can add any URL, like let me give habc.com. If you don't find a API key pair, just click on this. If you want create a new thing, API name with site key, let me give geeks v20, site key as ytrfd ytrfd. Just save it. It has been saved. Now click generate. See, you will find a HTML doc, right? Now just copy this, go to any one of the editor, save it and click on go live. Yeah, this is what the user will be able to see. His contact name, you can write email, you can give phone, subject, description and click on submit. If you click submit, it will go to a website which has been specified, abc.com. I have given some random site here. Yeah, this is what I wanted to tell. Yeah, section we will see what is Salesforce Experience Cloud and how it helps the developers in order to build a website or the app. Salesforce Experience Cloud, formerly known as Salesforce Community Cloud, is a platform that allows businesses to create branded and personalized online experiences for their customers, partners, and employees. It enables organizations to build self-service portals, online communities, and other digital experiences to engage and connect with their stakeholders. Some of the key features include branded portals, personalized content, community engagement, etc. Basically, in the Experience Cloud, it gives a very good environment for the developers or the a salesperson, I can say in specific a company, to build their own portals and give a user interface to the customers where the customer can post a query, or if they have any cases they can upload it through the chat, or they can look into the latest feeds, etc, etc. So from the diagram we can see that Salesforce Experience Cloud will have many features like customer portals, custom listings, custom storefronts, partner portals, employee community, microsites and landing pages, self-service help center. In this demo, I will be showing you how to build a website using Salesforce Experience Cloud, and we will publish it in the Salesforce Cloud itself. So let's begin. You need to log into the same that developer cloud itself in order to build a website. So this is the first page which you will get when you log into the developer console, which you have logged in before during service cloud. The same path or the same website. Yeah. Now let's begin. Initially, just type digital experience here. In digital experience, you will find all sites. Click on all sites. So I have already built two websites here, iPhone accessories and goods and services, and it has been deployed. Let me check whether it has been deployed. You'll get an overview. Yeah, this is the website which I have built. We'll build a similar website like this for iPhone accessories. Uh, yeah, we'll go back. So if you want to create a new site, just click on link new, and the maximum number of sites that can be published is 100. You cannot exceed that limit within the free trial duration. So similar to WordPress, it will provide you with the multiple templates. You can choose any templates with respect to marketing or with respect to sales, you have with respect to service. You can choose any template you need. Let me choose any sample uh, website. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, you'll get this kind of screen. Just click on get started. So give a name to your website. What type of website you want to build? Let me say I have to build mm, market. Let me say market. It's fine. We'll say online market, uh, or we'll say fruits market. A simple example. Just put fruits market. Click on create. It will take a few minutes. It's preparing a template for us. Yeah. Now we will get a workspace. Builder will helps you to modify your website. You can style, you can change the color of the links, etc. Moderation is for if you want to protect your website from getting a spam messages. You can just work with this moderation. Content management is if you want to publish any articles or you have to post something, you can take an help of content management. And gamification dashboard administration, if you want to give access to only a particular set of users, you can just log in into this administration and the guided. But let's start building. Click on builder. Yeah, the template will be open. um, if you want to type anything, just click on this. We'll change this welcome to something else. We'll change it to welcome to the online fruits market, let's say. So rest of the things, let it be like that. Just give an enter. Yeah, it will be updated. If you want to type here anything in the search, like make the search as how can I help you, such kind of thing, you can do it according to your wish and your needs. Yeah, it's done. Now we'll find your email here. Yeah, you just go to components, and you'll find many things here. Like if you want to have a calendar even website, just drop the calendar to any place. The calendar will be open. Yeah, it's too large actually. Yeah, currently we don't need this now. Just click on this delete. Yeah, we don't need calendar. Yeah, this is simple. Fine. Now, yeah, go to themes, go to colors. What kind of color you need? The text color, let it be black. The detailed text color, if you want, you can just change it to blue or something like that. Yeah, it will be very light color. Let's go for black one. Yeah, Next, if you want to change the action color, let us make it green. Yeah, the action color has been changed to green, right? uh, Still, like if you want to change the background color to other color, you are free to make it. If you want to change the navigation background color, let's make it yellow. If you want to change the color, you can, or anything. Yeah, I can see here, change to green. Yeah, if you want to customize your website, you can. Then this is the contents, what and all are there in the screen. uh, in the settings, if you want to change a theme, you can change a theme. If you want to add a language, currently it's in English. If you want, you can click on add languages and add the language. And if you want to add a navigation item, like in the default navigation, you have home and I think topics. Yeah, you can see this, right? If you want to add, you can add new things there by clicking on add navigation menu. Yeah, then you will have a security and privacy. We'll see one by one. Okay, as I have discussed in the service cloud, that the cases uh, will be reached to the service team through a website, right? That is what I meant to discuss here. I will have a chat option here. Through chat, this website is for customer, right? The customer will pose a query or a case through this website. So this query will reach the backend, which will see how it reaches and how you can deal with that. So a customer and a service people can have a one-to-one communication and get their cases or their doubts resolved. So in order to initialize the chat options, uh, uh, what you need to do is go to the console, the service console. Click on this, go to service setup and write, and sorry, go here to the recommend setup, view all, type chat for chat with customers. Click on this. Start, give a chat name, like if you want, let me say fruit chat. Let it be fruit chat. Let me give the same name here, fruit chat. So I'm the owner here. Just click on my name. If in your case, you can click on your name. Now give a priority. Let this be my first priority. Next, next. Okay, enter the website URL. So you can find your website URL from here. Keep all sites. Go to all sites. Fruits market. Copy this. Copy this. Uh, yeah, copy this. Go to home. View all. You can chat with the customers. You need to proceed with the same thing. You fruit chat, give it a priority as one. Just copy, just paste it here. Just remove this. Okay. Click on next. It's for service. If you want for sales, you can click on sales, or for contacts, you can click on contacts. So click on next. Yeah, your chat will be enabled. Yeah, like if you're building your own website, you can just copy paste this code in your editor, and you can just have it on your website. So click on next. Done. Yeah, now you need to configure your chat, right? Just in the quick find, just type chat agent. Yeah, go to chat agent configuration. Click on new and give a chat agent configuration name. Let me give it as fruit basket. If you want to have any changes here, you can. And here who will be a selected user, let me give it as a standard user who is using this web page, and click on save. Yeah, the chat has been configured. So now go back to your builder. Now click on these components and type embed. You can write or service chat. Yeah, you can find a service chat, right? Place it anywhere in the screen. Let me place it over here. Okay, it will be enabled. In order to view your web page, you can just click on preview. So you can find what and all is there in your website. Just refresh it, whether we'll see whether the chat is there. Yeah, you'll get this error. What you need to do is just copy this here, this URL, copy and paste it in some notebook. Control V. Okay, click on OK. You'll get one more link. I think the URL will be same, but for the safety purpose, you just copy paste it over here. Good. Now click on OK. Now you can. I think you can see this option agent offline, right? You can see the option agent offline. Let me click preview to see. If you click this agent offline, nothing is popping up. Now just I have an offline agent. Now I have to make this as an online agent and link it with the backend. Let's go back to the builder. So what you need to do is go to the service console. Go to cases. So okay, here at the bottom you can see that the omni channel is offline. Omni channel nothing but will facilitate you to communicate between the web page and the backend. Just click on the omni channel. Click on this off. It is offline currently. Click on available chat. Yeah, the work is done. We have connected with the backend. Now go back. Click on settings. Go to security and privacy. Here change the security level to relaxed. Hello. Now click on add trusted site. It will give the same error. It's fine. We'll tackle those things. Add trusted site. The URL which you have copied, just paste it over there. Give a name, that site to any name you can give. I'm just giving a random name. Okay. Now you can see here agent offline has been converted to chat with an expert, which means your chat is ready. Now go back to the backend. Yeah, everything is set up. Go to preview. Click on chat with expert. It's loading. Yeah, now it will ask for first name, last name, uh, give any email ID regarding what the customer is chatting with the backend, right? He may have some issues. Let me write the issues regarding uh, the cost of fruits, let's say. The first let's click on start chatting. The first chat which goes to the service team is this. I'll show you. Click on the tick button here. Yeah, the first message which is a default message which goes to the backend is, hey, how are you doing? I am here to help you. Now you can chat with the backend. Let me say, hello, hope you are doing fine. I need your help to resolve my issues regarding the cost of veg and fruits. So this is an issue, right? This issue will go to the backend. So see, the service team has got this message. Hello, hope you are fine, doing. Okay, the service team can reply now. Okay, we will look into it shortly. Yeah, correct. Yeah, this is how the chat works. I think you people understood how we can connect the front end to the back end and have a chat with the service people. Okay, let's move back to the builder. Go to builder. Now we'll see that we'll have some kind of discussion or the articles related to the fruits market or the I have a default articles. We'll just try to post it over here. So for that, go to the service, go to the setup. Here, sorry, go to service setup, click on view all, type knowledge setup, start. Yeah, it's done now. Just go to, yeah, fine. Now let's now go to setup. Yeah, go to knowledge settings, check everything is fine over here, and now go to topics for objects. Click on this. You can choose any field you want. If you want to have a compare site data.com anything, we don't require everything now. Just go to knowledge here. Yeah, just we have title, text, everything. Just click on save. Yeah, topics are enabled here. Fine. Just click on save. Yeah. Yeah, now everything is fine now. The changes has been made. Let's go back to the experience builder. Go to components, sorry, go to the settings. Click on navigation. Yeah, you can add navigation. Oh, sorry. Go to builder and here go to content management. Okay, go to topics here. Click on feature topics. So as there are no topics now, go to topic management. Add few of the topics. Let the topics be customer support, save it. Create other thing. Let it be new features. Click new updates. Anything if you want to add, you can just add it over here. Let's go to feature topics. Click on article management. So you'll get a mini articles name over here which I have made for the iPhone. For the simplicity, you can just continue with this, or if you want to have a separate items, just go to the sales console. Yeah, you'll have a knowledge, just add a new uh, knowledge over here with a title, text, etc. Fruits are not good, fully rotten. Just save it. The new knowledge has been added. Okay, so you can add the more such articles. It's left to you. Just refresh. We'll see whether it is up. Okay. Now go to feature topics. You can add a feature topics. Let's add customer support as one. New feature as the other topic. New updates. Other things. Okay. Add it. Just click on save. Yeah, you'll have all the topics listed here. Now let's go back to the builder. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, we have customer support, we have new feature, new updates, everything ready. Okay. Yeah, if you want to add the image, go to the builder, content management. Yeah, you have added the topics, right? Go to feature topics, click on new features, just click on this. From this, let's upload the image, this image. Yeah, it suits well. We'll upload the same image. If you want, you can just change it. Yeah, just save it. Yeah, all the changes have been successfully saved. Now go back to builder. Your website will be looking very beautiful now. See, this is what your current website looks. I will, in the later part of the discussion, I will be removing this images for your sake of understanding how you can insert the images. Yeah, this is how we can make it. Okay, now if you want to have the articles, what you can do is just click on the builder here and go to content management. So go to topics, article management. So now you can see fruits are not good. It was not showing before because when you when you create a new article or a new knowledge, right? So let me show you what happened. Now if you want to create a new knowledge, like suppose fruits are rotten, don't take it. Suppose if you save it, new knowledge will be created, right? Now you should click on publish. If you click on publish, you can be able to see that knowledge over here. Yeah, see, fruits are rotten is there, fruits are not good at that. Now we should link all these to the feature topics. Let me say this is a customer support. Let me say customer support. Just save it. Okay, now fruits are not good. Let me say it is also a customer support. Customer support. Um, Let me add one more knowledge. New fruit on the way. Let's say a rambutan is coming soon. Let's publish it. Hope you are understanding what I'm doing. We will create one more knowledge for the new feature. Zomato. Okay, no need to specify the name. XYZ is selling fruits and will reach out to your home directly. Good initiative. Anything you can give. Okay, we'll move on to this. We'll just refresh. Here you can see all this. Now we'll add these two. New fruit is on the way. Is a new update, right? What we have, new feature or new update. We'll say new update. Save. Okay, now we have linked almost everything. The new, let me, this is regarding the iPhone. We'll see, we'll add something new features, let me say. Okay, save it. Okay, now the feature has been added. Now just go to the builder. Yeah, now you can see the trending articles, everything. Click on preview. Trending articles, if you want to read, just click on it. It will take you to the page. It will have all the details. If you want to have a look at when will you release a new iPhone, again just look at it. Just go to home. If you want to click on new features, you should be able to see the article. When will you release a new phone is an a new feature. Sorry, go to home, click on new updates. You will be able to see the new updates on the fruits on the way. If you want to see that article, you can just read it. Go to home and customer support. If you want, you can just click on it. We have two articles. If you want, you can just read it. If you have any question, you can ask a question, or if you want to contact any of the authority, you can do. Yeah, this is all about community cloud or experience cloud. Hope you have understood. Yeah, before ending up this section, let's move back to the builder. Yeah, you can view this in the mobile view also. See, you can check this. If you have tablet view, you can, yeah, you can check it in the same way. Okay, finally we forgot to publish. We'll just publish the site. Click on publish. Yeah, this will be what site URL. You can save it. Just click on publish. It takes a bit of time. You'll get an email regarding the confirmation. This will paste the link here. This will auto refresh because I think I received a mail. You'll get a mail that congratulations, fruit market was published successfully and is now online on the following domain. I can just check now. We'll see. Just open the mail. Click on this. Yeah. Hope you have understood the working of this community cloud or experience cloud. Yeah, this is all about the experience cloud which is given by the Salesforce. In this section, let us see what is Salesforce Education Cloud and what and all services it provides for the school or institutions. Salesforce Education Cloud is a cloud-based solution designed for education institution to effectively manage their data and operation. It provides centralized platform for student data management, progress tracking, stakeholder communication. Basically, Salesforce Education Cloud will provide all the facility which is required in order to enhance the productivity of an educational institution. So let us see the live demo. In order to have a free trial of Education Cloud, you have to move to this link, https salesforce.com education cloud. You'll be getting this page. Click on try for free. When you click on this, you will be directed to this page. Here you need to give your first name, last name, the job type, title. Click on next. Specify the number of employees. If you are a working professional, give the number of employees according to your wish. If you are a student or a researcher, just give it as 1 to 20 employees or 20 to 50 employees approximately. Mention your company, your country, and move to the next fields. Enter your phone number, your Gmail, and click on submit. Will be directed to this page. This is a dashboard for Educational Cloud. The interface is similar to the Service Sales and Experience Cloud. We will see what and all the Educational Cloud will provide us. Um, like initially, we have the Education Cloud where we can add a course, we can manage the students, we can add the teachers, etc. Here comes the recruitments and admission, where you want to have an admission, give a new application form, have the people to your education institution, and track the student success, observe the academic operations. If you want to have a new scheme, you can do with the help of this academic operations. Advancement and alumni relation, you can link with your alumni through a single platform, which is one of the best features provided by the Education Cloud. You can have a mentoring with one-to-one mentoring with your students and teachers. Yeah, let's get started with the basic Education Cloud, what and all features it provides. As I mentioned in the Sales and Service Cloud, chatter is just to post a update poll, create a poll to the students, ask questions, or give relevant information to them. Accounts, here you can create account. The account you create, let us create a new account. Here we'll get to know the account can be of four types. You can create a business account. If you are if the college or school is a new school, create it as a business account. If it's already existing, and if it's a college account, you can create college, or if it's a personal account, create it as a personal account. If it's a secondary school, make the account with respect to this. Let me create a record with respect to college. Let me give the accountee name as uh, Dr. Nirmala Narayan, some random name. If you want to link it to a parent account, you can do so. If not, you can just skip this. And if you want to add any other extra information, you can do it as well. Click on save. A new account will be created. You can it will give you a brief summary of that account. If you want to have an email option, you can just email. Click on email, and it will give you a it will provide you a fields. Just email to a particular student or teacher or any of that matter. Create a new case. If in case of any issues with respect to the institution, click on new case. Or if you want to have a new note, suppose if you want to give a notice regarding holidays, you can just post it. Tomorrow is holiday, similar to this. If you click on save, a new note will be created. Just click on this. You can just see the relevant details with respect to your note. Coming back, Yeah, we were in we created the new account. Now you can have a interaction summary. Suppose you had a interaction with the committee, and if you want to add a summary, you can click the new and add the title regarding the new campus, something like this. Just click on save. You can click on any one of these and fill all the details according to your needs and click on save. A new summary has been you'll get an updated version of this here. And if you want to have a new employers, just click on new. Your need is that I want a social science teacher in my college. So yeah, the person uh, handling or who is adding this is a principal, let's say, or Dr. Tirpala Narayan will say, write the employer name, Mrs. Vani Taneja. Give a position. What position? As I said, she is a social science teacher. Give an occupation. What she is. Okay, let's say she is an college teacher. Employment status. She's she's employed. We'll say it doesn't matter. An annual income. We'll say like 7 lakhs. And you can fill any other extra fields and click on save. Oh yeah, the person employments will be updated. And if you want to update on any of the person's education, you can do the same. uh, I think you got to know how to do it by now. Just add a degree, and if you want to fill a relevant detail, just fill it. Just let me say the degree is MSW. Just save it. Yeah, you can just save it. Now just click on this. You'll find a person education. You can just add the other fields as well. Okay, this is all about accounts. If you want to make a new group, you can create a new group, or if you want to add these accounts using some CSV file or any files, you can just click on import from your local directory. You can just pull it. Yeah, from this, if you can choose the data from your person accounts and just move forward. I'm just not going into that depth now. Yeah, so these are the accounts created. If you want, you can assign a label. Okay, you need to have selected features. Just click on assign label. Okay, what label you need to give? Teacher. As there is no label called teacher, you need to create a new label. It's taking time. You just save it. Yeah, new label has been created. Fine. Now let's move on to the academic credentials. Okay, here you can list down all the staffs, students, or the organizers, etc. These academic credentials, map them to the type of degree they have and what is the type of the issuer. Just click on new. Just give a name. Suppose I'm giving it as Ram. And who is the issuer? Let's say Dr. Nival Narayan is the issuer. And what type he is, like he is having a bachelor's degree. Yes, update it and click on save. Yeah, the new academic credential has been updated. We'll go to the academic sessions. What and all sessions we have? Currently I have two sessions, 6th semester and fall 2024 semester. Suppose a college or school needs to have a new semester scheme and have all the operations under that, you can just click on new and have an all the fill all the details. I'll just show the one thing which I have already made. Click on 6th semester. Here you can find what is the start date and at what season it starts, when is the exam date. You can have a pre-planned structure rather than having a timely changes. You can fix the dates prior in this education cloud platform. Can create a new lead, new convert it into opportunity similar to the sales. We'll move on to the assessment question set. Currently there is one question sets. I did not add any of the questions here. Um uh, like you can schedule this assessment any week, this week or next week, using calendar. You can have a mail to all the students who are under you, who you desire to take this test, etc. Okay, fine. Assessment question responses. Okay, recently I have not added any questions, so obviously there won't be any responses to the assessment. If you want to create it manually, you can create on new, give a name, mm, uh, good test paper. Click on assessment. So there is no assessment, as I mentioned. Just create a new assessment. Basic physics test. Add if you want to add a contacts, add any contact. What is the assessment state, in progress or it's completed? Let's say completed. And what's the effect date? Everything you can add it. Just save it. Okay. Okay. If you have any assessment which is parent of this physics test, you can add it. Or you can add a question version. There is no question version, you can just add it. From one feature only, you have explored more features, like as adding a new assessment question version, adding a new assessment, etc. Assessment question version, you can give a name. What is web? Sorry, you need to give regarding unit 1, suppose we'll say. Question text is what is physics. Have a basic test, skill test of that itself. Yeah, let's see it. We'll have, yeah, question as regarding unit 1. In this you will be having what is web, such that similar kind of questions you can add. Yeah, you can just save it. I'll have a answer test question. Yes, created. Yeah. Okay, this is about assessment question response. Here you can, as you can see, we have many more fields. We'll explore it. We'll go to authorization form. Let us say the students approach teacher or principal that they want to have a cultural program. So in order the teacher or the institution approve that, there must be an application form, right? So in order to create that, you can just create, let's say I want to have a cultural program, and when you want to start it from, let's suppose we'll say 26, and you can give a consent, duration, day count, everything. You can fill everything, just save it. We'll create a new application form, cultural program. Yeah, yeah, this is about authorization form. Currently you won't be noticing any of the real-time updates, as I am adding these in the casual way or in the manual way. As you have already seen how the website can be created by the company and can update all the cases, or you can update any of the authorization form in the experience cloud. Similar thing or the similar method happens here as well. As there is no a proper interface here, uh, these all things will happen in the backend. As there is no students, or this is not happening in real time, I'm adding it manually. So think this as a similar application which we have made in the experience cloud, but related to the education cloud platform. Okay, so similarly you have awards. What kind of awards your college provides? I have mentioned many of the awards here, like best student award is there, best sports person award. These are the awards we say the school or the institution provides to the students. Yeah, if you want to add a new award, so yeah, you can do it by giving a title or the award name, when it should be given, etc. Yeah, you'll have a scorecards. Yeah, the scorecards of your alumni engagement, student engagement scorecards. It will just have a description. It doesn't have. It just says what and all scorecards the institution provides. If you want to add, you can add or delete or edit anything. Yeah, coding, sorry, contacts, course offering. We'll go to course offerings. See here, what type of course does the institution provides? There is one course called as introduction to psychology. If you want to add a new course, like let me say I want to add a new course introduction to cloud computing, the learning course will be like cloud computing for engineers, academic session, let me say 6 semester. Just save it, a new course will be created. Yeah, this is how the uh, educational institute or school can manage the number of course offerings. Here there are two course offerings currently. If you want to have more things, you can add it. Here you can see a mentoring profile. If you want to assign a mentor, suppose we say here we have two mentors, Ashik and Rahul Chandra Bose. If you want to add more number of mentoring profiles, you can just add it. And if you want to view these mentors, you can just see here who are the mentors. And there is no upcoming or overdue here. You can just, if you want to log a call, you can log a call by searching in the contacts. Yeah, that's what. If he wants to log to his students, he can just click on contacts, search who is his students. Currently there is no students. If you want to have a new student, you can just create a new contact and attach it or have a call or email, etc. Yeah, list email is similar to what I have explained in the sales cloud, and you can have a more number of people over here. Here currently I am a owner, only one account is there. Yeah, I can check for the learning courses, what and all courses are available. It will be mentioned here. We'll check what's there in new from Learning Wizard. Yeah, you need to add an additional course details here. You can just skip this process, not necessary. And if you want to add a new learning course, you can add it here. And still there are more number of fields. So you can just explore by clicking on this edit button. Click on add more items, go to all. If you want to have an academic term, enrollments, academic terms, years, account relationships, account brands, many more things are there. You can just scroll down and check what and all are there. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the other features which education cloud platform will provide us. Okay, just click on view all in the app launcher. Okay, we'll see what's there in the program management. Here we can add a new program. um, we have a new program, BSc. Our college has recently launched the program BSc. Let's say our college will promote a new degree called BE. You can just add it, BE. When it will be starting, what is the status? It is planned, it's not has been completed. Such things give a save. Yeah, new program will be created. This is what happens. You can just go to benefit types, what kind of benefits you will be having. Currently no benefits. If you want to have a new what do you say, um, uh, the scholarships, you can just add it. Have a new benefit types, give a name, what type of service, and what is the process type, etc. Yeah, what is the benefit disbursements, you can check it over here. These fields are actually important for those who are working in the as a professionals. Yeah, to get a basic overview, it's just you need to add a benefits, and the related information about the benefits will be getting through the benefit disbursements. Okay, we'll go on to other features of cloud. I will move on to the recruitment and admissions, which is very much important in almost all the uh, schools. Okay. Now, now, in order to get into the college, you need to have an application form, right? So, Click on individual application, create a new application form. Um, let this be a case. Account manager is this normal Nirmala Narayan. Uh, for BSc course, let's say category is education. Amount paid, if not, don't mention if paid. Yes, just click on save. Okay, apply date. Okay, I need to mention this. What is the application state? So in order to complete the form, we need to fill the application status. Let us take the application status to be a ready for decision. Application type may be a graduate. Let it be an undergraduate. Date is 25. Yeah, now it's ready to be submitted. We'll save this. Okay, the individual application has been created. Now it's in this stage. It's ready for the decision. You can click on this. No, okay, yeah, like after ready for the decision, you can go to the application decision. If you want to cancel them, you can cancel. This is about the requirement recruitment and admissions. Okay, let's see what's there inside academic operations. We'll go inside academic operations. Here you will have a list of achievements which you can see. If you want to have a printed view of it, you can click on the printable view. You can get a invoice kind of thing where you can print this page by clicking this. Uh, Uh, there are other fields like or features like learning course, which we have already seen. Learning outcome items, you can click on this. If you want to add, you can click on new and add the uh, new learning outcomes. It's similar like the course outcomes and the outcomes which the course is expected to have. uh, yeah, these are the some of the features under academic operations. You can see we have completed recruitment and admissions, academic operations. We'll see what's there under student success. If you click on this, yeah, you'll have a goal definition. If a student wants to have a goal, or teacher or the admin wants to set a goal for a particular student, they can go to a goal definition, click on new and have a goal. There are two goals that has been already created. When you click this, you can see all the details regarding that, what category it belongs to, and what type of goal it is, and what is the status. If you can see, the students will have benefit schedules, benefit types, care plans, and many more things. Care plan template goals, care plan templates, etc. The most important part is the alumni. When you click on this, you'll find a list of alumni. If you want to add an alumni, you can do that. You can make a group out of it or assign a label. Mm, yeah, the important thing is the fundraising strategy and donor engagement. Just click on the fundraising strategy where the people are willing to donate. Go to gift commitment. If you want to add a gift, you can add it here. Like there is one gift commitment for annual scholarship fund. The donor is the school, and if you want to add a new gift commitments, you can do the same way, and you will have a set of transaction. As of now, there is only one transaction named Sophia Alumni. When you click on this, you can check what are the transaction details and what are the refunded amount or the original amount, etc., and the payment method. Yeah, this is one of the good features that the any of the school or colleges can employ, because it's very hard to manage each and every details of a fundraiser or the donor. So Salesforce provides you with a single platform which can ease your work. The similar with the donor engagement, you can plan making efforts in order to uh, maintain the details of a donor. I'll have a outreach source code, the same thing as that of a fundraising strategy. You can get to know the recently completed task, like regarding the updation of your credentials, all the active campaigns here. This is all about the education cloud. In this section, we will see what is Salesforce Health Cloud and what are the benefits it provides to hospitals or a medical system. Salesforce Health Cloud is a healthcare specific version of Salesforce designed to improve patient relationships, streamline care coordination, and enhance patient outcome. Its key features include patient and member management, care coordination, personalized care plans, analytics, and report. Basically, Salesforce Health Cloud will provide all the facilities in order to meet the requirements of a specific healthcare system or the organization. Let us see the live demo of the Salesforce Health Cloud. In order to get a free access of the health cloud, just go to this link and give all the personal details which has been asked: first name, last name, the job title, email, phone, company, etc., and click on submit. When you click on submit, you will be taken to this dashboard where you will have an health cloud admin portal. Here you have a multiple fields, such as you can add an account, you can have a provider search, and contacts, cases, leads, provider search, sync logs, timeline view configuration, and many more things. We'll see each and everything with a clear understanding. Initially, you'll have an account section. If you want to add a new account with respect to either patient or business or the individual, you can click on new and it will ask for the record type. You can choose any one of them and click next. Add all the necessary fields here and click on save. I have already made two accounts here. You can just check. Click on Charles screen. You'll get all the information about that account, like his email or the who has created his account, the owner, and what and all cases he are facing. With respect to diabetes, he has a care plan. With respect to post discharge, he has the cases, drug authorization, and if you see here, you'll have all the cases with respect to Charles Green. You can see what type of medication he is undergoing and who is his contact name, and with respect to which disease he is taking the care. Uh, yeah, go back to accounts. Similar with respect to this Becky Alexander. This is all about accounts. Yeah, the features of accounts is almost similar to all the cloud platforms which I have discussed earlier. Yeah, when you go to provider search, suppose you want to search for a particular doctor or particular uh, medication specialist, you can just give the provider name, his specialty, in which field he is famous for, specialist or medical therapist, and what is his subspecialty, and what type of plan are you going to take, HMO, PPO, EPO, etc., and give the facility name and his address. When you give the facility address, you will be taken to the Google Maps and you will be able to find the doctor which you are in, which you have already, which you wanted to search. And you can mention the distance also, at what distance you need, etc. This is all about provider search. Let's go to contacts. Contacts is similar to what you have seen in the sales and services. If you want to have a new contact, you can create a new contact. Now the contact can be an individual, or it can be with respect to business, because one medical system can have a link with the other system. So that's why we have a business contact here. Okay, next, moving on to cases. As I have shown you through the Charles Green's account, he has listed a number of cases. If you want to see those cases individually, you can just click on it, and you can just check. Yeah, there is a case created by me a few days ago for with respect to the care plan. Yeah, what is his status and the case number. Yeah, this is about the cases. Uh, if you want to make a new cases, just click on new, and it will ask for the record type, what kind of case you are interested in. Either it may be a medical device request or pre-authorization, or it may be a drug request or care plan or a care gap, etc. Choose any one of them based on your requirement, and click on next, and fill in all the necessary details asked by the Salesforce Health Cloud. Yeah, you can add a due date here. You can give a contact name. As there is no contact, you need to create a new contact, and you can fill in the status. What is the status? It's new, or it has been already closed case, and what is the origin of case through which you have filed a case. You can have a description and just click on save. Yeah, I've shown you what are inside these cases. Just go to lead. Leads are nothing but potential customer. Currently there is only one lead. If you want, you can just create by clicking the new, and you can select a record type, whether the patient referral or provider lead, etc. If you just click on this, you can find what and all information are there in lead account. Yeah, I can see there is only one step left to complete um, that lead into an opportunity. mm, yeah, I'll find an address, location, address information, etc. If you uh, uh, okay, thing is, the Andrea Chavez is in the process, and there is only one step left. If you want to edit it, you can just tell that the lead status it's qualified. Yeah, it's already qualified. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, lead was saved. Okay, fine. If you want to mail them, you can mail, and you can have an event. Just click on this. Let's move on to the provider search sync cloud. It's similar to the provider search, uh, and you can have a look on what and all providers are there. Basically, the organization will add the providers in the backend, so that the customers can view who and all are the provider. In case of provider search, you need to search for the doctor which who you intend to take a medication from, and you'll have a timeline view configuration. As of now, there is no timeline. If you want, you can just click on new and have a new timeline view. Yeah, that's what the health cloud admin all about. Yeah, you'll have a lot of various features provided by the Salesforce Health Cloud. It can include service, marketing, CRM, Salesforce Chatter, which you can observe in most of the cloud services. Now let's move into Health Cloud UM. We'll see it will manage and prioritize the authorization. Uh, yeah, lead we have seen earlier. Yeah, it will provide the same features such as accounts, contact, groups. If you want to create a group, you can upload a file. We will see what kind of. Yeah, these are the medication or some of the related files. to uh, regarding the medication or the healthcare. Yeah, there is a big. You can upload any of the local files you have. Yeah, yeah. There is one account created by Key Alexander, which I showed you earlier. Yeah, that's all about the health cloud UM. Yeah, you can. Now let's move on to the integrated care management. Yeah, now there is a new field called care observation. Click on that. You can have care observation data like I will fill this observed subject will fill what kind of care you need, like elbow condition failed. What is the observed subject with respect to let's say this care is required for the Becky Alexander, and what is the observation status preliminary, it's in the preliminary stage. You can add a code. Okay, there is no code set, just add a code set with a name, let's say YFGH, some random name you can give a code 12345. Just save it, and just you can see it. Okay, you need to specify the date and time, 17, let's say. Just click on save. Yeah, the new care observation has been created. uh, yeah, this care observation has been created with respect to Becky Alexander. Yeah, you can fill the other fields also as per your requirements. We'll move to the one of the most important feature provided by the healthcare cloud. Yeah, you can just look at the patient community. It's asking for the, okay, let's not go into this. We'll check the care coordination. Yeah, in the care coordination, you'll get all the details related to the patient, his patient card, and if you want to add a new medication, you can click on the add new medication. What kind of medication he needs, what is the status. Yeah, we can have a status. It's an active case, or what type you need. The proposal, we can just medication ID. Mm. Okay, add a new medication first, then we'll assign. The medication is that elbow recovery. What is the status? We'll put it as active. Just click on save. Yeah, you have added a meditation. Yeah, just click on save. Yeah, the new medication request has been created. You can just check all the necessary information here. Yeah, now there are some of the related fields like people facing the child screen is facing with the allergy condition, where what category of food, what reaction is there, and what is the status. um, you can check the care gaps also with respect to the condition, what is the source, who owns, who is the owner, or who is the caretaker here. So this is the task which you need to uh, assign to a particular patient so that he can follow it in order to maintain a better health. Here I have already made one task called low sodium diet food. Depending upon his completion, you can just mark it as a complete. so the task will be completed. Or if you want to create a follow-up task, like after completing this task, if you wants to make an other task, you can just click on the follow-up task and add the necessary info. Yeah, necessary info here. um, it provides the same features in this care coordinations also. Let's go to this. We'll check all the care plans here. Okay, I have made two plans here: diabetes care plan and post discharge care. If you want to create a new care plan, click on new care plan and just give all the details. Let's create a new blank plan. Yeah, this respect to Charles Green. What type is a problem? We'll say status. Let's say it's closed. Care reasons. It may be complex functionality. Uh, it's asking us to complete. Okay, care coordinator. We'll add one more grill at segregation. Yeah, now the case is created. And the thing is, you need to assign any two of the care coordinator. For Charles Green, I have mentioned Charles Green only, but you should give a different name. Uh, yeah, yeah. This is all about care coordination. And one thing, you if you want to have an want to add a new note, you can add it here. We'll see the recently basically providers are the ones who will provide you with a better health facility. It may be any organization or a third party organization which provides you with the basic facility with respect to medicines. Yeah. Yeah, here you'll find all the detailed patient card of Charles Green, his birth date, his gender, what and all medication he is undergoing, etc. Yeah, still you have a lot of healthcare features. We have integrated care management, have discussed, I guess. Now we have advanced therapy management. We'll just look into this, what's there inside. Yeah, yeah, similar thing. What are the care plans and the care program enrollee? uh, we will have a care program, Makana diabetes, its start date, appointment slot. You can add an appointment slot, or you can enrollee details when all are enrolled for this therapy. We'll see the care program enrollees who have enrolled into this. We have only one person called Charles Green with Makana diabetes and his account. If you want to have a printable view, you can have. And if you want to have a work procedure, you can click on this, and what and all care programs are there, you can click this. So there are currently three care programs: one the care program for Makana diabetes, and the other is for chronic pain. We'll see what's there inside the Makana diabetes. It's just a representation or view of what and all we have under Makana diabetes. That's it. Yeah, this is one of the enrollee. If you want to have a more care program, just you need to add a new care program. Yeah, this is all about the Salesforce Health Cloud. Hereby we end all the types of the Salesforce Salesforce types of cloud provided by Salesforce. I think this session is will help you in future in understanding the in and outs of Salesforce Cloud. Hope you like my video and you have gained a lot of information from this. Thank you very much.